Rishi Nagpal, the owner of Natraj Corrugating Machinery Company, presents. The automatic servo model Thin Blade Slitter Scorer is a high-efficiency machine for precise cardboard cutting and scoring. It features easy one-man operation, quick paper size adjustment, and smooth feeding. Advanced rubber straps and a pattern drive shaft ensure low noise, durability, and stability. Tungsten alloy blades deliver sharp, burr-free cuts, while automatic knife adjustment and pneumatic locking simplify operation. Designed to save time, reduce labor, and enhance productivity, it's perfect for the packaging industry.
आगे तो लेडीज में शादी जो बोर्ड पकड़ेगा थोड़ा देर के लिए
Choose Nagpal Industries, where excellence meets technology in packaging solutions. Subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates on cardboard box machines. Our address is plot number 65, Sector 6, Faridabad, Haryana. Contact Nagpal Industries today at +919810 to 75497 and invest in machinery that transforms your vision into reality.